Right, liagorobire kibia Kigoma, it is on 14th of December 2025 na karibu asomurobali bene Kigoma tokoletera umurobali asema samutuko ne regular Gega Awards 2025 second edition nabo kwaligania se studio nkorokwa Geoffrey Onsarigo nabo kama nabageni inde nabarabu bono morogoba nabo bisakurwa se ensemble ya Gega Awards gukwanira mushibi wa Oyugi yule boigo monya kerogo bweke umbeki wose geg na boigo kerongo kwanira Oyugi ninda manere muswatu kuna Lucy biromuliki asekyomekyo aboigo Bensira yule boigo enomini asekyomeki nimbaleta ya masemuto sangamo katura kasanga mange igure yagega igomwanchu mulino muligereri andonsia sole karibu yanda kusangana into tabwati boba bonde bwensi mega tembe television karibu sana yagarobiro bya bana Oyugi.
Yes, Onsarigo.
Kiria Robi.
Buyatore.
Wasabiruko na nande nensemo yende second edition tukwa na Gega 2025.
Yes.
Ndo chere ruko kwa sana. Kama hii edition iko sawa man.
The second edition
yes
is one of the best we are going to do so far. First edition they are a bit slow, lakini like second edition inaenda kukua moto. Eko fire. Anyway,
to start to chama nyango to na brabu wata ladies first chake gurwa soko kwa mahate gali ya isemo ya kurukunga Benzira. Introduce yourself to tebinga iningo nikioko kora and outcomes you are in Gega Awards.
Pia mono moraria koma asama beta
na kwa nerogelio konyara
sama beta mpensila mara chama moteri na tete kuira mbiasa mama sema roba ya chiki ni chiva una whatever chime nomini ya Gega Awards na tenta wote fans bani nambio mama sema onkorede nomination because this time round I did not expect.
yes
Again, I want to say thank you for those behind Gega Awards. Kiabiri neve ndokiumonso wachase abatere na kiagerira abantu abangi kidogo wajitume in terms of talents na abandi baito baritutaramanyikana muntu naro yatomanyikana.
asante sana Benzira asinchirabe nakurunga Benzira mura inomini asomurobyo Gega Awards 2025 second edition kwa igule ento sangamange liyo lilio yamasamungira naso muswati ndega iga abwato moko sana Lucy totebinga ngakyukurukwa nabo igonkyo kora Gega Awards.
Okay, Mr. Onsarigo, thank you for this opportunity. Asama Refega Nkoroko Lucia Mukeira, and I'm very happy as a secretary Koba Munainu Gaiga, Niche Secretary Gega Awards. Otherwise, Nancy Kigombaga Niretia Maya. Na in this second edition, we hope it will be the best Kowerito Akorete last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kuna Lucy Mokei, shukrani sana. Neromuliki bumurobyo iga Gega Awards anamono as edition iga ya kabere ya 2025. Kwira na ocheso monya kirogo akurukunga bwana Oyugi Aliyo ni mheshimiwa.
ni kama hiyo jina imekufurahisha sana.
Introduce yourself. When you talk about honorable people talk about chakane title.
Sama leta ngoro ku Cyrus Oyugi Mangare kuru Bombaba. But asa woniga mimi ndio chairman wa Gusii Excellence Gospel Awards ambayo ni platform ambayo ina discover talent, inakuza talents na ambayo ina uplift talent. Ndio maana team yetu this year inakuwa when faith meets talent.
Oh yes.
So as per now, this being our second edition, tumejaribu sana. Najua last time tulikuwa na categories karibu 40 something. This year tukasema tuzipunguze. But Mungu naye ni nani? Tukajipata kwamba categories zimeenda 59. Categories 59, that means tupate almost 627 artists within Kisii and Nyamira region, Gusii and Gimaika. and into amentete category around 2 categories kormata abogere na ande kuria, just 2 categories, because by next year tunataka kwenda global.
Tuteka gagu when we are now ketokwa na Gega Awards whatever mungina nale gali mo hako musai, maybe you understand it when we talk about Gega Awards. Gega whatever Gusii, I want you nyebagali, what is Gega Awards?
Gega ni Gusii
yes
Excellence Gospel Awards. Any platform ya bateri wa gospel, DJs wa gospel, we have reporters, we have TV stations pia, and we have community impact. Abantu bali bakoreta impact se community, bagokonya abantu se community, bagosibya abantu chinda nini, and we have leaders also. This is one of the categories that we have under Gega Awards. Yeah.
And now why Gega Awards? Wena monaro rabo linki yako rabono bwana Oyugi Mang'are timu ya Yengima. I know the CEO Brandy. Gega yachire. Why Gega by the way?
Kwanza our CEO is in Nairobi. Ngonya kuligiare bintu bire bitatu iga so that we get to run this event successfully. Gega Awards, you know, right now abasanii baito wanafanya kazi nzuri. Kusema tu kweli, in Kisii Nyamira, Gusii artist wanafanya kazi mzuri sana. So this is a way ya kuwa motivate, kuambia kwamba kazi mnafanya ni mzuri, tafadhali endelea tena, zidi kutia bidii. So we are just motivating our artists that whatever wanafanya, waendelea kutia bidii, waende kusonga kwenda mbele. Hii award inaweza msukuma mali, inaweza mpatia mileage somewhere. At least najua hata wewe ukitaka kukuwa associated na mtu, mostly sisi tunakuwa associated na watu ambao wamebebea, wameshinda kitu. Sasa ukipata kama Pensila amekuja na award yake hapa, so unafurahia sana, unasema kweli
kabisa.
Ama Getembe TV hapo hivi mkienda kushinda ile award ya TV Station of the Year. Unaona baadhi ya mambo penye itakuwa ime-uplift sana station yetu.
Na ndio maelekezo kwa na iko. For those who remember, this is the station. Aginagieta seni last time. Na watu irugeti ntekio na leo na tabiru kwa na chairman mukora ngibintu na bikalebia. We don't know. Okay, now thank you CEO Madam Biaki ne timu ngima for this wonderful exercise. Eketokwanira Gega Awards. Now who are the participants? Barabia baiga bago shirika somorobele.
Munanateva Gega Awards, we have singers
Abateli
muna babo Pensila gaiga. We have DJs muna babo DJ Artsan, babo DJ Soul. We have drummist abantu mbaro muna babo JB. Au wakire gita mpaka kwa teva mumroyega ni kama alizaliwa kwa gita ndani. Abantu mbaro wakachi drum. Abantu mbaro muna babo Speedix ambao wanakupigia kale ka trumpet vizuri. And then we have
kwa na DJ umuntu naro yo muligire ure super DJ ukumiringa kiwa no gwakwa na igutanga ali mete category you know chema no alime super DJ
the DJ muna reels reels no mwanafunzi funzi one na babu Artisan, so I'm wishing them all the best.
Lakini umaitenga ne DJ.
Yes. He's a DJ. By the boss is a DJ.
Yeah.
Hata mimi pia. But
so those are no baras category.
Mbarese category you. We also have leaders. Kama itaba ntombaro se society ambayo wanatusaidia abantu mbaro korora gali se Kenyoro.
Yes.
Anakuja anapata watu ambao ni ma-orphans anawasaidia. We also have couples.
Yes.
Ndo bate category ya TikTok by the way.
Yeah.
Abantu muna babo musani oli Azizi. We have couples wa TikTok ambao pia wanajaribu kufanya something so good in a positive way to impact the community.
Yes.
We also have their category. Yeah.
Now, tuko na Gega na muntali bolinga do Gega Awards mbabo nchibate chio bishobo gabo sungu kusikisi because as a, now it is you know, as a company.
Yeah, we have an office.
Where do you?
Ndo bato office maega Nyangena. Behind Nyangena Nyagitari. Ambako swakuru maega ga watira uchirokoro. utapata mahali pe tumeka signboard yetu ya Uplifted Records. Gega Awards never to studio by the way. State of the art studio in Kisii kuliko Uplifted. Yako record abasanii baitu. Unakuja kuja huko nyuma panye utapata signboard yetu ya Uplifted Records. Hiyo on compound. Yabu na otobata obisichito. Yeah.
Adake, now going back to the Secretary of Gega Awards, Madam Lucy.
Yes.
You know, egasi yobuliki ya Gega Awards. You know, niggas in the onzi nagas in the onzi. What are the challenges go made us yobuliki Gega Awards no muliki and they call all the participants Kisii and Nyamira to the parts of Ruenyanza you watemire sana.
Yeah. So far so good. Challenges is nchanya kubura, but we are really trying our best. Kori kama reta yonsi 600 kerota chakereta, it was never that easy, but we managed. So far, at least I think Kero Montona received a message for those nominees who are going to who are participating in these Gega Awards. Na otherwise, we want to be sorry for those mbare bari bake bago complain maybe mbai kerete chimese timeti gosena korabata roche. At the same time, it was very hard for those people. Omonto na bare nominate omonto, but omonto yuta okoraki tako ntoko nyora namba ya bona nabo konyore ritari omonto ndi achete, but ko reach a namba ya omonto yu yaba kongo. So I think that was the only challenge we experienced, but next time I think we'll do better.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one being the second edition, Nindoche by Day France Somale is one of the nominee. Nandi Ngomuruka Blackie. Igorende no Haram 92. For those who don't know him, Blackie nominee no Haram 92 France Somale. Thank you. Now, this edition, Chairman, what is the process of voting? Bantu bali bakubulinga bono na abere nominated buna ba Pensila babo Francis then bonsi no Lucy sa nomini assembly ya gospel artist amangana process ya voting la kiego koru asuri kranste gali kerago choko igungo bui Pensila mura no mobui for example na kia yapen voting process ne di
kile ganto kore kana system ntobate system ambayo kutumika Kenya ngima.
Yes.
Yako kora mangana ya voting for awards. System yega na robatu wente ase tukuza wakatumia kwa ile zile awards zingine zenye zilikuwa Groove Awards. That is the system ambayo tunatumia. Ntobate short code.
Yes.
Kwa beke short code, kwa beke namba ya voting kero musani na bate namba ya voting. Kwa beke namba yu kwa beka chikura chiri otagete yamanya ukoretere message muna umepiga kura na umekuwa na kura 3 ama 4 ama 5. So msanii oli wakati msanii pia anajipigia kura na leta the same message, lakini mo difference ya roso msanii na elimu na inamletea the total number of votes iwe gende kire transparent ka wake kura ama taibono uko na kura 500 ama 600 ama 400 uwezi ona number 2 ako na ngapi ama number 1, but utaona zako.
Yes.
But we can compare and from there we can compare nani alishinda, but our system is open. Ndowa tikende gionze kere hidden.
So meaning it is now from the office nere go compare the awards and the total chia nominees.
Kwanza tali into by the way. We have the system itself from Nairobi. Na wako compare what they want, the list wali wakete chukura na baiga hao ndio wameshinda, hao ndio number 2, hao ndio number 3. Sisi kazi yetu ni ku-adopt ile list ambao wanatupatia. Hiyo liko cha kukora favoring muna ati ono sijui Blackie ono where number 2 was a number 1. Yeah. The system is open and you can compare notes with your fellow artist. Ngire ngakwa nyorete 300, ile ngakwa nyorete 200 na kupuete period.
Vasuru Mwanchimuli ya masemo Gega Awards 2025 second edition na uto sangana bugaiga led by the chair kurukunga Oyugi Mangare Mheshimiwa na aboigo ntuwade Bensira Mura uyole nominee abo Lucy Mukeira aboigo uyole mu secretary aboigo at the same time Francis Omare nabutona buga igase studio mwencho muligerere ikinge ncho myoka gali sigetembe TV nsemo ya YouTube getembe TV nsemo ya Facebook tulikira comment naboigo nabokobeka ikerengeli kiago ugani kuboli amaboli go seri boli yago tuyobanga 072644 7367 nero inamba yitoga igase studio tobase kweba gusangana itugono murabo bando seso tuliyetukorwa eyemo asemo igaiga imege tembe television katukonera igoro ya gigawatts. By the way, you guys, who funds you, by the way? Because you see, this is the second edition, Mogokora. The first edition here in Goro, which you take from the CEO, Madam Bihaki. In fact, the process is very successful. And the Karaf. Who funds you?
And before Ntara answer that question,
yes.
I think Benzila akujiombea kura, anafaa jiombea kura.
Topea nafasi.
Before Francis aingie naye jitetee kidogo. Kusema kweli,
Yes.
Kuorganize this event ina cost a lot. Sio pesa kidogo. Kubeka tent gari, kurete sound ya almost 150,000. Kubeka gari, DJ sets, kubeka carpet nini, the screens nini, it costs a lot. And most of the time imekuwaga our sacrifice. And this time we've tumejaribu kupeana proposal 2-3 to business people in Kisii, to our leaders in the county and also in the national. But we don't know. We're just hoping for the best because so far tuko tu hapo. But we're hoping for the best na vile sisi tunaamini Mungu. Tunaamini ya kwamba everything will be okay.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Sante, technically answered. Prinsira, I know mini. Actually, which category? The TV category, and one of your fans there were watching, were taping, and Geikua better nominated. Nande, process ya voting ya sekiru chair.
No, voting inafungwa in the next 2 days.
2 days.
Yes, you just have 2 days.
To the grace period.
To the grace period. Inaitwa rush hour.
Tiandole Prinsira kia kwirwa. Yes. Tell us which category nande ngakiwa achieve category.
Thank you, Morage. How I achieved the category, I don't know.
Yes.
Because the portal here is open.
Yes.
And watu walipewa fursa ya kuchagua ni waimbaji ama ni mwimbaji mgani angependelea awe nominee this year. So Nkanyora na vile nominated, but this time round I really least expected. Kumbe unaweza dhani umesaulika pale nje, but kuna mtu anasema mimi ninaenda na fulani. So that is how I got myself there. Na nikawa nimechaguliwa kwenye categories 2, worship leader of the year na gospel artist of the year. So kwenye hivyo vitengo viwili hapa Theri Bande Mbarororo. So mimi nimeamua kwenda na gospel artist of the year. Na rego saba fans vani skogari
bakurigire tiuma itega no bariga uko kurigire
fans vane Mbia mona soko mbeka mogere na ikire Getembe TV for the first time.
Wonderful.
I think this is the first time I'm having an interview
on TV.
On TV, yeah.
Wow. By the way, how do you feel?
Adeni.
Umayitire rona bura abetora agira nyumba. So wanjubulire benzina mura akwiro niranga for the first time over on TV nande bolero gusabire kurogetinga gospel artist of the year indi maiwete
Chikura tari kura.
When we are on TV it ought to be kura because you are talking to one person.
Wano.
Yes.
Nachire sorry.
Nandi bari mwachimuliringa kerege masemo. Sometimes these things happen. Gendera kwirwanira.
Narenge wasaba. Una mombe getega nandi mongi. Mongi yeri. Mogenderere kombe kaiboro.
Yes.
Bomvoteri Gospel Artist of the Year. Igo ekodigere 440108. Ono konga chivoti bona 20.
Ni bana ndiaga gendera kusabire kura kabisa.
Wanchana wokonga 20, wokonga chikuremia. Kulingana bona wokonya but make sure mtu twanyorere egekombe raundi.
So ona kibago cha Star.
Esta?
Wakere pensire kura, wose wakere musani uriota ite wakere kura. Okomata Star.
Everindi
483.
Everindi kango benzira narote.
Kinda tumeka?
Yes.
Yere na tumekire mono ne ye link.
Yes.
Okay.
Link.
Uno chia na bako moko yago.
Waka Star 483 Star. Kwanya kobeke kodi yako nereli.
Ekodi ya negere 440108.
Star 483 Star. Komanya kobeke kodi ya pensila, komanya kobeka hash. Komanya kote wono, te amakire chukurange 20, 30, 50 ga. So that mate pensila ako very happy being in the studio for the first time. Tota ito como maintain in studio like. So mwakire chukura, ande mwakira basani wali mwanchete, DJs, abateli, TV station, mwakire katemberende kura, and pia chi program chi TV. Manon sarigo program yago
Niche nkwale kongali banisha. Nkwe kongali banisha.
Sabere rebe.
Wanjibulire aseje yabo bayigo nyuranga gigawatts. Eka tubwata matuko masinini. Etuani yagetembe morning breakfast show. Ine ntindi sana no manyita inga kibitoko. Na tubanga gatembe TV is the only station. Okay? Bono tunanga se Benzira. Benzira by day you are a nominee nae. Na ko romo secretary. Nki category K.
Is it Lucy?
Lucy. Yeah, Lucy.
Lucy, ayuko nominee.
Oh no, official.
An official. Yes.
Ni official. Wono ekero tu kwa na yon traje konyora umare gaiga ngira na somo chair kidogo andake you know there are those people ba better nominated.
Yeah.
Ekero ba wakiru chikura umuntu ekene pi na manyete umuntu ngumanyali nkubwali usera ego cho convera to surprise ngobwi.
Vile tulisema last year ulikuwa unapiga tu kura uone kura zako ni ngapi. This year na boko manya. Let's say for example mimi na Pensila tuko the same category. Injira bonko ra chikura chiane mbada chikura 1700. Pensila nama ete chia chire 600. Iko because hatujapatana na Pensila tinko manye chia ni renga. Because hajapatana mimi sijua zangu ninga. Lakini the real sense like ni maete chiane 1700. Ile wakati tunaenda ku announce winners we can confirm. Yes. Amowi sana your fellow artist watebi ulikuwa na ngapi? Ulikuwa na maybe 600. Ulikuwa na ngapi? 1700. Definitely I'm the winner. Yes. Iko hakuna njia nyingine ya kuficha ama njia nyingine ya ku naona kuna mtu amempigia kura. Amwambia thank you for voting Pensila Mura Artist of the Year category. 100 votes. Only 100 votes.
Igomono igote yera ne TV yako. Angu ana moka wewe.
Wanyapa mende abantu kuru diaspora akira kake abantu chikura
Ale France nkolera nge mi kangona egu.
Oda France.
Anyway, asante sana those who are watching na bayo mugende gusanga na ituga bono murogoba kigima yamasemo untarira gosoma jujumbe andake nga jokora na pensila angede kema gatonyole France Omare na era tebinga category kiga as one of the nominees bagega abono benzira tika benzira nere nganti gukora nere yamasemo kidogo nganti gura sanga na benzila ayemo aseyemo kidogo aiga ase studio benzira last ujumbe yage yo mwali uchaso muligereri your fans ne liga andake ko basegega ngana yagora batebi yo mwali
Ndete koira nili Getembe TV as a whole. Thank you so much asoko host Gaiga. And I love the experience.
Yes.
I'm on screen for the first time. Thank you so much. And and I also want to say thank you for my fans kuniaminia na kuchangamka kunipatia this position where I'm seated today. Kama wange ni nominate, I wouldn't be here. Again, I want to say thank you for Gega Awards. Munafanya kazi mzuri. Like last year, niliona ilikuwa ni ushindi mkubwa sana. Because I saw people from all walks of life. Kina msanii, niliona kina
wengi sana.
Majina zinapotea but
Kina
walikuwa kina Kelsey, Maticha. There were so many people. Even that coming together, watu kujuana ni kitu mzuri sana. And I'm very happy that is happening in Kisii Town. Nobody believed that Kisii Town inaweza let something big like this. Yeah, I want to say thank you. Mambiaki, wherever you are, and your team, God bless you so much. She's a goteka. Na huwa na risk sana. Na anajituma. So wherever you are, Mom, we love you so much. And God bless you so much. Again, nataka kushukuru Mungu for everything that is happening. My fans pale nje, bado we've got 2 days to go.
Yeah, 2 days.
Tukifika saa 6 ya usiku tutakuwa tumebakisha.
Tutaanza kwa sababu hours.
Yes, so kindly, I'm urging you, unipigie kura.
Thank you.
And
Thank
God
you.
bless you.
Asante sana. Basi wono yakuru bezira muraha inomini o kwana mangana mayaga wa sensa moiga. Keroga ndeti togo enda ase age kege sininiga. Mwanchumuli tonyolege France Omare oyogo to join nerune nomini tramayanga nere category kieye na namono nkiekora nera suira sigega awards. Yugenda kuligera nako tegerara ya masemo kuliko ujumbe yago alias studio na nako Getembe TV YouTube, Getembe TV Facebook ya masemo bigwansa. Tusuka tuchale kege sininiga tuirane asembeo. Back mwanchu muligireli bimuno sane masemo na gotebinga uyura sembe kuna benzila mura moteli na mwigoyo nominees Sigega Awards 2025 second edition na yatusanga amono munyakiro kugaiga nere oyugi mangare wigo muliki wigo bweke mbekeiga kurukune Lucia Mukeira amona intubono nande niga kurunga Francis Omare ngomuruka Braki no muligireli na bokora is a very brown guy. So karibu sana Braki on air sinchira bene kima karibu sana France Omare.
Mbiamono.
Yes.
Mbiamono sana.
Nagira Robert baba.
Mbiani.
Yes.
Makiole.
Mbiani.
This has been so nice.
How do you find yourself as a Gega Awards?
Gega Awards is an amazing animal.
Yes.
It's just an animal you cannot describe with small words.
Oh yes. Yeah, I love that.
I think Mambiaki had a lot of stuff in her mind when she was coming up with such an initiative. because I've worked with a number of musicians.
Yes.
Including Farikei. You know, Farikei is a brand now. I've translated a number of his songs. In fact, 80 to 90% ya materonsi pia gotera translated from English to Ekegusi. Ninche nkunya translate. Yeah, I know you are shocked by that.
Of course.
Because gotera gokoro kunga Onyimokie. It is our first maiden song. Gotera kulitwa translate gotangani kwa kunga Onyimokie. Then we came to Mary's Boy Child. Then we came to Omochiomoko Bethlehem, or Little City of Bethlehem. That is how Nenyora say category the best cover song translator of the year.
Okay.
So I think I nominated myself because I saw it was worthy. Ya isaine ya renge chinga konyo cha isani renga ntakeire kokora egento ke korokunga mbe into a competing scenario.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, Mr. Francis Omare.
Yes.
Because of time, andake bali bakuriyeti sko gali bono igaba kwana 9 batuliyeti ya masemo nduchika itimu nyinga kina babu dani kana umbani uchiri akina Isaya Morema umuchokoro Kiyuka akina bana basigeba so wote abangi so many people bali ready, very many of them inkyuru chura kuana igoroye inkyo fans bago igoroye enomini kwetu.
Number one, Biamona Sogo Tegera Matera translated because Moabed very good supporters by my clients. You have supported Farikei far and wide. Moa supported Biaki, Moa supported Dan Hassan, Moa supported Maombi. All those once abuna nemu I translate for them. And egas moa kolire kobasira ya beirengia. So I'm only asking you mo support no lio okobaroseri. Support no lio okobaroseri. Yes. Yes. You know, very many people see the person that does the thing, but the support is never seen.
Yes. So
that's why if maybe these guys were writing their stories, let me also write my story. So that's why.
You so lero you kero bali wa translated bako ba supported na yonyuru.
Haki.
Sabange kure deke moja na kore mbeliba.
As a category, the best cover song translator of the year. Ninde one of the contestants. Namba yane igere 4 a code yane igere 445205. Obekabu enamba yechikura ongakire chikura eliweyamo chikura chiriubere chikura yemo chikura ibere sayabase
irolere nambe you have to call the nine
445205 ene record yane.
Thank you Francis Omare mokonye kuraga wasigega words nere aga kuga bali ago translate bakungara nere atokinga unyurwe with the work agokora maiga go behind the scene turone ase andake Lucy one of the officials inkianda kyura kuanda muno cheso mugusio le Kisii Nyamira County Nyamira County na boyiko fa Migori and parts of Nyanza bali bago shirikia so muroboliga keratokunya ku wind up
kinare ko batebi igonare ko batebi abanta bange most of the people bamanyeti the importance of an award. So ekina reko abantu bonsi yani like mware ko manyobu yabwe awadi at least kanga kero montongo twararo mokiori wo kwerwanirira. This award it takes many people to far places. At the same time ngoro kiere it's your recognition yani. Oroche bono buna basani mbara oro bari bago chaka bono iga award yengo gerere bakoraki ba shine. Because buna marieta yako nyagoncho kanara naboko nyoro montago tebo yoningo etiango nda check YouTube ekiao kora. So at least tigato kinda batebi tigato tuake chikura to support ani. It's like we are supporting talent in each and every one of us. So kinda tebe na tarehe 21 mwensi pitu habari ganiri moche tisi. We celebrate this. At least kero montari sibe awadi ae. Yeah, and courtesy of our CEO, Biaki the brand, we appreciate you. And egasio koraningia. By the way, agwetoma sana.
All right.
I remember like the challenges we had last year. I think this year at least we nchi kobororo nandi. Nabantu bonsi ngo barangeri tore mo chamo moto support because teri raisi at times we don't even sleep okonyora asitore. Weja again to chande temono by the its finances.
Okay. I think
Yeah.
Thank you secretary. Ekyotiga chiage korani kirombu at 1 minute amuske chairman asogokora maybe from your side ikondo chenga chinse ibira kanya tureke unga Getembe.
Thank you Nsarigo.
Yes.
Muna secretary yako na werego. So tunawakaribisha nyinyi wote on 21st December as from 10 AM mkuja pale ATC grounds. Tutakuwa tunafanya our events gala pale hivi. This year tunaifanya pale grounds ya ATC. Next year tunaifanya kwa stadium. Yegoma manyamuna, we are fully prepared and ready kusukuma ikitu yote iende mbele. Our leaders, our artists, our business people in Gusiland, tafadhali mkuje msupport our artist. Kukuja pale neba muna utakuja hata uamue nao una support ikikundi na maji, our artist wapate maji ama the participants wapate hata kama ni kauji hapo hivyo, it will mean a lot to our artist. They will know that as much as bago chagari se duka yako bago regento gete pesa yao ayendi tu hivyo bure. You coming back to give back to the community that is supporting our artist. That's why we are calling all the business people. We are calling our leaders, our nominated and elected leaders in Gusiland. Kimoche gari moto support. Anonyo kopate kende, mente kende ande kuri gorereto mosani so that we move this thing forward. It's a good initiative that is basically to uplift our talents in Gusiland.
Thank you, Chair. Because of time, mwenchi muligirili nimetendo Francis. 1 minute. Inchisa chiele chamangana mai.
Thank you Nsarigo. Nata geteko soere staff wira ekudil na mangana ya itoa gega. Mo basa gocha kongeza wadi yokoba nacha Getembe. On behalf of those people who didn't appear here, ndobwate nominiza bange batacha. It's, you know, such opportunities choko nyoranga minyoke TV because you are supposed to go and ask ekura kuna intena nyori bande mbapu ati that opportunity, but you tinta geti moche monge ekura because Biaki is my friend na because mon audio tanganete in my category moe kere kiae onya na buiru na ande ngitabira nenga na inche na koregendo
Kwa buiru. Thank you. Igo inche ni wete. Kirogo oyole Cyrus Oyugi Mangare nabigo Lucy Mokeira bunomolike Bensura Murano Moteli enomini nabigo Francis Omare oyole bige nomini assembly cover translator okolere merememi sana tebire abaso no monchumo lero on behalf bagotabanga amushiyobo yole Madam Biaki the brandi sante sana ko writing chino gochora ko Getembe television asi amangana iga 2025 second edition.
Yeah, man.
Gekeke chikuraga chinsa ibere konyoreke unga Getembe television ama yeah yotobaise kusuka nchiko ko mwana buliro ba Jofrey Nsarigo. Bye bye for now, God bless you, see you.